Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is their bold three-row electric SUV, think futuristic living room on wheels. Built on the EGMP platform, it offers a flat floor and flexible, spacious interior. Expect lounge-like seating, sci-fi styling, and signature parametric pixel LED lights. Targeting 300-plus miles of range with ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. It shares its bones with the Kia EV9, so expect strong performance and practicality. The Ioniq 7 pushes boundaries in design, comfort, and tech. For families seeking a high-tech road trip-ready EV, this is one to watch. Hyundai is redefining what an electric SUV can be. The Volkswagen ID.7 is VW's electric flagship sedan, a sleek aerodynamic alternative to the SUV craze. With a drag coefficient of 0.23, it's built for efficiency and long-range comfort. The fastback design offers a spacious trunk and understated German elegance. Inside, usability is improved, with a larger screen and backlit controls. Expect 300-plus miles of range and a smooth, quiet ride. The ID.7 is for those who want a premium, high-tech daily driver with outgoing SUV. It's a mature, polished step forward for VW's electric lineup. In a sea of crossovers, the ID.7 stands out as a truly great electric car. The Chevrolet Equinox EV could democratize EV ownership in America. Starting around $35,000, it's a stylish, practical crossover built on GM's Ultium platform. Multiple configurations offer up to 319 miles of range and available all-wheel drive. The design is sharp and modern, with a tech-forward interior dominated by screens. It's practical, with good space for families and cargo. Chevy's goal: make EVs accessible, familiar, and appealing to the average family. The Equinox EV could convince millions to make the switch. Chevy might have just nailed the all-around electric family.